Yo, what's up? Back with some more low heat. It's mail day. Saved a bunch of stuff to do a kind of a mass opening. So let's get right into our first package here. I pre-opened it to save you guys some time. Alright, this first package is from Bait, not eBay. They use eBay mailers, I guess, but this is from Bait. They had a sale on some Marvel tees and collabs. So I scooped up a couple sick Marvel tees. These are Spider-Man Venom ones because this stuff, real true vintage Marvel Venom Spider-Man tees go for just ridiculous money, like ridiculous amount of bills. So you know, if you can get high quality replicas, but not bootleg, not fake from overseas factories, but high quality stuff like from Bait and officially licensed stuff that practically is the same for just a fraction of the price. Why not? So although this isn't a true vintage shirt, I mean 90% of the people aren't going to care or notice that it's not a vintage shirt. They're just going to think this is a dope Spider-Man Venom tee. So rather than $600, I got this for way cheaper, especially on sale. I think it's dope. And let's open up this one real quick. Anyways, I buy a lot of vintage. I love vintage t-shirts, clothes, but this stuff, which I also like, is just too expensive. Too expensive to buy at what current vintage prices are. Like, I mean, it's crazy. So again, I think this just makes sense. This one's pretty dope too. Not an actual comic cover, but that's sick. Carnage and Venom split. I like, on one hand, I really dig the where the big back graphic and a small hit on the front, but I live in California. It is I guess I was going to disprove my point. I was going to say you never wear jackets. Yeah, so I could wear a back graphic because I don't wear jackets. But anyways, I like the fact that these you can layer, right? These you can layer. It is California, so I don't wear a ton of jackets. But if I did want to layer, dress these up a little bit with a nice jacket or whatever, or over shirt, you can still see the cool graphic on the front. So I have so many t-shirts, I'm in my 30s. I can't just wear graphic comic t-shirts. Sometimes you got to class it up a bit, wear a shirt over the top, wear a jacket over the top. And if it has a cool back graphic, you can't see it. So I tend to like really cool front graphics. That's just my preference. Anyways, on to the next item. Those are dope. Shout out Bait for making cool product. Next thing, another sale item I got from NTWRK, the NTWRK app. You guys check it out. It's kind of the QVC of streetwear. Opening this like a dope because I'm trying not to show the billing address and stuff. Anyways, this was on sale. I live in California and I don't have a dope beach towel. So I've been like, beach towels are kind of, cool anywhere along the coast, and just I've not wanted to pay, ridiculous money for a dope beach towel. And then finally, this happened to be on sale on NTWRK, so I scooped it up. It's like, why not this sick Seinfeld towel, beach towel? The video I just chose to wear my Stance Seinfeld socks. You can't really tell, but those are Seinfeld Stance socks. Maybe you can tell on this one. Tell on that one? My hairy leg? There's Elaine. There's Newman down there. Anyways, so now I finally have a dope beach towel. I guess if I'm going to do it on unboxing video, I should show you the actual item. Again, getting used to these videos. Sorry. Anyway, I think that's pretty sick. It's, Slow Tide is the brand. Collab with NTWRK. So anyways, go check out the NTWRK app. It's pretty sick. And I got this for a steal. This is on sale. So, beach towel, cool, dope beach towel secured at a good price. Onto the next. Oh, actually, I'll save this. let's save this. A little, throw this in here really quick. Speaking of vintage t-shirts, bought one the other day on eBay. I think this, you don't find this on eBay very much, and I think it was a really good price I got it for. Anyways, sick Revlon Cindy Crawford vintage t-shirt. Excellent condition, as you can see. I think that's really dope. Cool graphic. Cindy Crawford, one of the GOAT supermodels. You don't see much vintage Cindy Crawford stuff, and if you do, it's probably crazy pricey. And this was definitely affordable. Revlon piece. Shout out. I don't know. The seller included these. I don't know what these are. Anyways, shout out to the seller who sold me this at a really good price on eBay. Here, give one more good shot again. I'm kind of rushing because I know people's attention spans are like non-existent. So then sometimes I don't even show it. Show the item. I'm rushing so much. Here's the tag. Really cool cotton deluxe anvil tag. I haven't seen this tag much, but you know, you in the videos might be experts. I'm still learning my way in the vintage t-shirt game. So, but I think that is a really dope t-shirt. I try not to get too many white tees because I just feel they stain too easily and everything, get dirty too easily, but I couldn't pass up this. I have never seen this before. I think that's sick. Especially, again, if you can get something, a really cool, rare vintage t-shirt under $50, I think that's a good price nowadays with vintage being so popular. All right, on to the next package. All right, this I got from Stussy. Everyone says Stussy. I think it's pronounced Stussy. But I'm going to say Stussy. Hate me if you want. Maybe I'll change someday. Alright, I got this really dope levitation tee. I think the graphic is really cool. Kind of into old school magic. Positive vibrations. I think that's just really sick. Nothing on the back. Sick graphic. And I like the color. I mainly have like black tees, so anytime I can get a non-white, non-black tee in a cool color, I scoop it up just to add some variety to the wardrobe. That's cool. Let's see here. Oh, they include this dope sticker. Dope mushroom sticker. I like it. All right. Here, I'll save that for last. My other videos, check it out if you haven't seen it. My Supreme pickups for the season. I bought the Bicycle Supreme cards, and then as I was on Stussy's website, I saw these, and these, you know, these aren't going to be hype, not going to be worth anything. So I was talking about how it'd be cool to have a nice deck of playing cards if you ever want. And so these I'll have no trouble opening up using whatever. Anyways, I like cool playing cards. When the time comes that you need a deck of playing cards, it's always cool to have just some unique ones rather than just a regular pair. Good talking point for the group to kick off the game. Anyways, let's see here. Oh, another cool dope sticker. I love when brands include free stickers. It might be the coolest thing ever. All right. And then, welcome mat. I feel like I'm to this point where I buy so much crap, and you buy so much crap as an adult, and you cheap out, and you chintz, and then it breaks after a few years. I'm so sick. I'm at the point in my life where I bought so many like ice cream scoops, fucking can openers. So anytime I can get something of quality, it's a little morbid, but it's like, okay, I have this for the rest of my life. Anyways, I've held off buying a welcome mat my entire adult life because it's just like I don't want to just spend $15 on some ugly thing from Bed Bath & Beyond. So finally, on Stussy's website, I was like, oh, a dope welcome mat. And it's not like Supreme or something that's gonna like, you know, go up in value, but that's okay. It's meant to be used, stepped on. So being able to find a dope welcome mat, I can finally buy one and not worry about it. Seems weird, I know. That's a weird thing to worry about or think about. But I just don't like buying crap, cheap crap that you end up replacing. So I hold out on some things till I find something that I really like. Alright, this video is longer than 10 minutes. Hopefully YouTube lets me put it up. Alright, the grand finale. This I copped a couple weeks ago from Supreme Drop. This hoodie, there's mixed feelings about it, but we'll open it up, see how we feel. So, yeah, this is gonna get shit all over it. Let me get this out of the way. So this is the S logo Supreme hoodie, navy colorway, with a made up of the mini box logos. I don't know how I'm feeling about it. I don't know what the resale value will be eventually, but let's see what else I got in the package. Got the customary sticker pack. Cool. Oh, and they include the rubber gloves. This is my second pair of rubber gloves. Now, if I take this out of the vacuum pack, it's not really a vacuum pack, the plastic, am I undead stocking this if I wanted to resell this? Now, I always get things my size so I can actually wear them if I can't or don't want to resell them. So should I take it out so you guys can look at it? I don't know. 160 bucks is too much to pay for a hoodie. I'm of the opinion. That being said, ones that, you know, if it ends up being 300 bucks, 250, then it feels like you got a good deal, right? Or is it? Let me know what you think. Is 160 bucks too much to pay for a hoodie, even if that value of it ends up being 250 and you got it for $100 less? What do you think? I'm gonna leave it in the plastic just for this video because this video is not gonna get any views, so I'm not going to take it out of the wrapping just for that. But maybe down the line you'll see me wearing it in a video. All right, thanks guys. Let me know what you think of the products, the purchases, and subscribe to my channel.